All right, so the Batman wouldn't let me go on without mentioning his field, which is the data space. You can enter the data realm if you're not interested specifically in the coding, but you're looking for something more analytical, something which has to do more with finding key insights where other people would find a mess. And data is really cool because like that's the new black gold. That's what all the artificial intelligence models are also feeding off of as well. And then if you want to get off in the corporate space, especially, a cool knowledge base to have on is on SQL databases, a structured query language. So in corporate, we mainly use Microsoft SQL Server, but if you are an indie developer or just someone getting off on their own, you can use open source technologies. Open source means free, like PostgreSQL or MySQL, very popular, to get started on learning how to write these queries. In SQL, basically, we store data in different kind of tables. So think of a table like if you have a student table or you have an accountings table or a billings table or even a table on fridges, right? And then this is where we keep the information. Then we use different things called relationships, or we write queries to get the data from these tables. So if I understand about languages like select all from a table called dot 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 dot, where a certain column or where a certain field is equal to this. And then there are other stuff you can do like dropping tables, so you can update tables and so forth and so forth. It's a really cool space to get into if you're interested in that kind of thing. And I would highly advise it because, again, information, the new black gold. And on top of this, business or administration relies upon you to come up with key valuable insights. So you can do different stuff like coming up with dashboards, or you can build data warehouses where you find out how you'll store your data over for the next years. And then Blade, you can correct me if I'm wrong, no, we're talking about Apache Spark, Hadoop. This is what we're talking now, like big data, like data which is unstructured, and then you have to find value from it. So yeah, it's an interesting space to be in. Cheers.